Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas. In today's class, we'll discuss about the SLR1 parser. Okay, so we have already discussed about the SLR1 parser in the previous classes, in the previous 3 classes. Okay, so today we'll discuss some new examples of SLR1 parser. Okay, so here question is verify the grammar is SLR1 or not. So today we'll discuss about verify means we'll discuss about the verify the grammar is SLR1 or not using without SLR1 parsing table, without using SLR1 parsing table. So see, this is the given grammar. So this is the given grammar. We just add what? Augmented production S prime to S. We just add augmented production S prime to S. So now we'll construct the LR0 items. Okay. Now we'll construct the LR0 items. S prime to dot S. Now we'll find the closure of S. So closure of S is S2 dot A, S2 dot B A C, then S2 dot B C A over B A C over B C over, then S2 dot B B A. Now we'll find the closure of A also, A2 dot D, then B2 dot D, because here closure of B is also there. Okay, so here S, so S prime 2 dot S, right, then A, S2 A dot A, then small b means S2 but B dot A C. Now we'll find the closure of A, means A2 dot B. Is there any B is there? S, one B is there. S2 B dot B A. Then we'll find the closure of B, B2 dot C. Okay, so B is over, then we'll find B, capital B. Capital B means S2 B dot C. Remember here C means small c. Here C means terminal. Here C means terminal. Okay. Okay. Then D. So A2 D dot B2 D dot. So S over, then A over. Okay, A only one, B over, then capital B over, small b over. B means S to B dot AC, then we'll find the closure of A, then B to B dot BA, then we'll find the closure of B. Now we just make the number I0, this is I1, this is I2, this is I3, this is I4, this is I5. So the I1 is completed now. This is A. So A is 2. But A dot. Okay. Now we'll see here capital A. Capital A means S2 B A dot C. There's no capital A here. Then D is there, but A2 D dot, then one more D, B2 D dot, then capital B S2 B, capital B dot A, then here C S2 B C dot. Just make the number I5 done. This is I6. This is I7. Remember A2 D dot B2 D dot. This is repeated, means I5. Then this is I8. This is I9. I6, 7, 8, 9. I6 completed, I7. Then C S2 B A C dot. I5 completed, I8 A S2 B B A dot. I9 completed. So this is, I think, I10. This is I11. Okay. So these are the complete set of ALR0 items. ALR0 items. Okay. So now we'll check, is there any SR or RR conflict is there or not in the ALR0 items. See, in I0 there is no conflict, I1 no conflict, I2 there is no conflict, I3 no conflict, I4 no conflict, I5. I5, this is reduced action, this one is reduced action, this one is reduced action. So I5 may contain RR conflict. Okay, later we'll check. I6 no conflict, I7 no conflict, I5. It is also I5 repeated, no need to check. I8 not not conflict, I9 not conflict, I10 not conflict, I11 not conflict. Okay. So we'll check only I5 set. We'll check only I5 set. Okay. So first we'll find out follow set, follow of part S, then follow of A, follow of. Okay. So follow up S, initially it is dollar. So there is no S on the right side. There is no S on the right side. So follow up S is only dollar. Follow of A. Follow of A, this is one A, this is the second A. Okay. First A, there's something on the right side of capital A. That means first of small a. First of small a is A. Here, there's something on the right side of capital A. Means first of C. So this is S. Now we'll find follow B. Where is B? This is 1B. This is the second B. See, there's something on the right side of capital B. Means C. So first of C. First of C means small c. Just consider the second B. There's something on the right side of B. Means first of A. First of A means small a. Okay. So follow of S, follow of A, and follow of B. Then so A2 D dot is a reduced action, B2 D dot is also a reduced action. Now we'll check follow of A intersection follow of B equals to phi or not. Just check here. Follow of A is A comma C and follow of B C comma A. So follow of A intersection follow of B not equals to 5. All of A intersection follow B does not equals to 5 because it contains what? A and C. So that's why so I5 state contains are conflict. Okay, so I5 state contains are conflict. So this grammar is not SLR1. So this grammar is not SLR1. Since the grammar is not SLR1, so this grammar is also called as ambiguous grammar. This grammar is also called as ambiguous grammar. Okay. So now we'll check one more question. We'll check one more question. Verify the grammar is LL1 or not. Verify the grammar is LL1 or not, and also we'll check SLR1 or not. Okay. So here we'll verify both grammars are verify the grammar, the given grammar is LL1 or not, and also we'll verify this grammar, the given grammar is SLR1 or not. Okay. First we'll check LL1 or not. LL1 or not. This grammar. See, A is a single grammar, so this grammar is LL1. So this production A to epsilon is since single grammar, so single production. So this production is LL1. B to epsilon. Since it is single production, so B to epsilon is also LL1. Now we'll check S2. Now we'll check the first production or second production. S2 A B plus B B B A. Since S has two productions, so we'll find out what first of this one and first of this one. So first of A B intersection first of B B B A. Okay. So first of A. So we'll find the first of this A. So we'll find what first of this A. So A contains here first of A means what? Epsilon. Since it contains epsilon, we'll remove epsilon. Then we'll go to the next one. That means first of this one is what? It's nothing but A. Similarly, first of B. B means first of this one. First of this one means what? B, capital B. Capital B means non-terminal B. So first of B is also contains what? Epsilon. Since it contains epsilon, we'll remove epsilon from capital B. Then we'll go to the next. Next means small b. So A intersection B. A intersection B equals to what? 5. Since A intersection B equals 5, so this grammar is also what? LL1. This grammar is LL1. Okay. Now we'll check what this grammar is SLR1 or not. Okay. First we'll add the augmented production S prime to S. Say S prime 2 dot S, then we'll find the closure of S, S2 dot A B, then S2 dot B A, then A2 dot epsilon B2 dot epsilon. So here S prime 2 S dot, then here S2 A dot A B, then B2 S2 B dot B A, then here A A means S2 A dot A B. Then we'll find the closure of what A2 dot epsilon. Then here B S2 B dot B A, then B2 dot epsilon. Okay. So here we'll scan A S2 A dot B, and here S2 B dot A. Then here we'll scan small b S2 A B dot. A S2 B A dot. Okay, this is completed. Now just make the number I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, I8, I9. Okay. So now we'll check is there any conflict or not. So this one is a reduced section and this one is a reduced section. So I0 may contain RR conflict. I1 does not contain any conflict. I2 does not contain any conflict. I3 does not contain any conflict. I4 does not contain any conflict. I5 does not contain any conflict. I6, I7, I8 and I9 does not contain any, don't contain any conflict. Okay. So now we'll check I0 may contain any conflict, means RR conflict. Okay. So see. Just see. Here we'll find out. Here we'll find the first set. Follow set. Follow of S. Follow of A. Follow of B. See, follow of S. There is no S on the right side. So follow of S is nothing but $. So follow of A. Follow of A, this is 1A. This is the second A. So there is something on the right side of the first A, means, so this part means what? First of this part means what? It is nothing but A. So similar, just consider the second A. Just consider the second A. So there is something on the right side of the second A, means B. So first of small b means B. Follow of B. This is the first A, first B, and this is the second B. So since this is the first, now we'll consider the first B. There is something on the right side of first B, means this to this. So first of this part is nothing but what? Small b. So this is the second B. This is the second B. There is something on the right side of the second B. That means first of this part and smaller. Okay. So A contains reduced section, B contains reduced section. Now we'll find follow of A and B. Follow of A intersection follow of B. Let's see. Follow of A intersection follow of B does not equals to 5. So I0 state contains RR conflict. I0 state contains RR conflict. Since I0 state contains RR conflict, so this grammar is not SLR1. It's not SLR1. Since the grammar is not SLR1, so this grammar is also called ambiguous grammar. Ambiguous grammar. Okay. Remember one thing. Remember, it is very important point. This grammar is LL1. This grammar is LL1, but not SLR1. This grammar is LL1, but not SLR1. What is the actual rule? Just see. What is the actual rule? Remember, every LL1 grammar is LR0 is SLR1 is unambiguous grammar. Okay. So every LL1 grammar is LR0 grammar. Every LL1 grammar is SLR1. Is SLR1, but every SLR1 grammar need not be LL1. If that means what? If a grammar is LL1, that means the grammar must be SLR1. Must be SLR1. But here in this case, but in the upper case, in this case, this grammar is LL1. This grammar is LL1, but not SLR1. How is it possible? This is the actual theory. If a grammar is LL1 means it must be SLR1. But every SLR1 grammar need not be LL1. But here it contradicts. In this question, grammar is LL1 but not SLR1. Why it happens? Because in SLR1, this one means this one is not the actual look ahead. This one is not actual look ahead. So that's why it happens. Because in SLR1, we just place the reduced action based on the follow set calculations. But follow set calculations is not actual look ahead. That's why it happens. Okay. Let's see. This is the drawbacks. Of SLR1. What is the drawbacks of SLR1? In SLR1, the reduced actions are placed based on follow set calculation. But follow set may contain so many elements than actual look ahead. That's why it happens if a grammar is LL1 but not SLR1. Because in SLR1, one means one is not actual look ahead. Means follow set. One means here follow set. Follow set is not actual look ahead. So this may lead some unnecessary reduced actions in SLR1 parsing table. To avoid this drawback of SLR1, we'll construct what? CLR1 parsing table is constructed. CLR1, or we can say this CLR1 is also called as canonical LR1. This is also called as canonical LR1. Okay. So in the next class, we'll discuss about canonical LR1. Okay. Please share and subscribe the channel. Okay. In the next class, we'll discuss about the canonical LR1. Okay. Thanks for watching.